Morning, Ma'am Besa. Good morning, classmate. Ang natutunan ko po sa math ay paano makuha ang volume ng rectangular prism. Ito ang formula. Volume equal length times width times height. Volume equal 8 centimeters times 4 centimeters times 3 centimeters. Volume 8 times 4 equal to 32 centimeters times 3 centimeters. Volume 32 times 3 equal 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. So our answer is 96